What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
My phone just keep dying. The battery, like every 5 minutes, just keep turning off.
Every 5 minutes? Oh my gosh. Your phone is pregnant.
Having twins?
I'm not sure, but you only get 60% out of 100.
Oh,
Wow.
by the way, my portrait camera is acting up, keep flashing when I'm about to
Camera on the
take-
portrait?
As well, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Wow. Never seen this before. Well, don't worry. I got you. Oh my gosh, sir. You're about to be dead soon. Oh my god. Look at this battery.
Oh, I see it.
You have to stop using those Android chargers, sir. Surgery time. Baby is out. This is pregnant battery. This is a regular one. You see the difference? Look at that. Triple kit, single kit. Your phone is ready, sir. Now it's good to go. Let me show the battery. 100. So open the camera. No more shaking. And you are all set. Here we go.
Thank you, thank you.
By
Thank
the
you
way,
for fixing it.
yeah, that's your old battery. If you want to keep it.
Oh, wow. Can't believe I carried these for 9 months.
9 months. You got it now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.